iPhone 16. You have to have it. I'm going to pre-order it, no matter the price. Ooh, 1,239 euros. All right. It looks exactly like the previous model. Ooh, new colors. It's desert titanium. I'm going with the black. Yeah. Okay. New controls for the camera. I don't know about that. Like in a Sony smartphone, you'll be better off just pressing the button, not play around with the. You just want to press the button and take a picture. In real life, you'll be better off pressing the screen because, look, when you're pressing the side of the smartphone, you always move that smartphone a little bit during the picture. And your picture could get unfocused or out of the frame or something like that. You'll be better off just pressing the screen. Then you're not moving the smartphone so much. We've seen it on the Sony smartphone. All right, we ditch animation. Let's see what's new. What's new? Regular 16, Apple Watch, Apple Ultra 2, new AirPods 4.0. No, I don't like that. It doesn't have a rubber in the end, and it will hurt my ears. So no, that's old and that's new. AirPods Max 2. Okay. What else? Okay, some accessories. All right, let's see iPhones. We want to see iPhones first. There's a regular 16 and Ultra. It's not the Ultra, it's a Pro. 1,239 euros and 1,489 for the Max version. Like I said, a couple of colors. I'm going with black. But I have to pay more for 256 gigabyte version, of course. There's no discounts in the pre-order? Damn. I was hoping for some discounts. All right, and almost 2,000 euros for the 1 terabyte version. God damn. Okay, 1,869. You can trade in your old iPhone. I guess only iPhones. Come on, 585 euros for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Come on. Sell it on eBay. Just robbing you. Come on. No trade. Apple Care? No, thanks. Currently unavailable? What a mistake. I wanted to hit continue and buy it. What a mistake. That is a huge mistake from Apple. This should be available right now. Because people want to buy now, not tomorrow. Not in the next day. Not in a week. In a week, no one cares. There'll be a new smartphone from China or something like that. Maybe not. But now is the hype. People watch the unveiling from Apple, and now they hyped. They want to buy it now. It's a huge failure from Apple. That button should be flying. All kinds of orders. Huge failure. Oh, yeah, they're giving you a cable. Ooh, free cable. Oh, shit. Okay, we do have 16. Okay. But I want to compare not to the Max. I want to compare to 15 Pro. What will be the difference? Okay, the number of the chip. 6 cores, that's all the same. Now it's 3 nanometers. I think previous one was 4. I could be mistaken. 48 megapixel. Yeah, that's all the same. Dolby Vision in 120, that's new. 5x zoom. It was also 5x zoom. So. God damn it, it's all the same. And I'm going to buy the same phone twice. Okay, a little bit bigger screen. So most likely less bezel. More resolution. Same PPI. Same brightness. It's all the same. Okay, the camera. F7. Okay, that's all the same. Even the Max camera is all this. It's all the same. Look. Shit, is this the same camera? Optical zoom 5x. That's all the same. Okay, more frames per second. That's a fact. Special video. I don't see too many differences. There's a difference in Dolby Vision in 4K 60. Okay. 1.9 aperture. That's the front camera. Shit, it's all the same. Look. Okay, more battery life. That is effects and dual SIM. The previous one has dual eSIM. Okay, but dual SIM, physical dual SIM. That's something which is super cool. Finally, on the iPhone, dual SIM. And I think that's all I got. There's also the regular iPhone, but who cares? And, anyway, I cannot buy it anyway. So, okay, I'm waiting till this button to be live, and then we're going to click it, and we're going to compare such a device with a Vivo, which is, I think, the best Android smartphone camera in the world. So, subscribe, like, and see you next video.